Hello YouTube! In today's video we are going to talk about how and where to start learning guitar and what are the things we have to know first. This is Parsa and welcome to Jhun channel. At first I'll give you 5 tips to consider in order to learn guitar faster. Then I'll list you well organized and prioritized topics that you have to learn at the very first beginning of your journey. So let's jump into it. The first tip that can help you to learn guitar faster is to hire a good teacher. I'm not saying that virtual courses doesn't help you, but imagine it like a building. When the foundation is not built well, the whole building may fall down after some years. Music is just like that. Teachers also have been at the same level of you, so they can give you some direction. And also, a good teacher have a great lesson module that worked for their previous students, so that you can use that too. The second tip to learn guitar faster is to learn some basic music theory. And I know there are lots of guitar teachers that don't consider music theory as a necessity, but there are lots of benefits to learn the music theory. The first thing is that it gives you more options for improvisation. For example, you're in your future band and they're just jamming together, and because you know music theory, you come up with sort of tastes to their music. You play some solos, you improvise for them because you know the music theory. It also enhances your music appreciation. Like for example, you like a band, you listen to their songs, you like their lyrics, you like their melody, you like their vibe, but now another word also opens its door for you, and you also know their music and you can understand what they are doing, so they appreciate them more. Also, it allows you to be more professional in a very faster way. The third tip to consider is don't expect it to be easy. But once you got it, you enjoy the rest of your life in the heaven of music. I'm sure when you, for example, see a guitarist on Instagram, you think that, oh, this is easy, I might can do it, or I don't know, with a little bit of practice I can reach that. But the thing is, it's a little bit hard and you have to consider it before starting your learning process, because you might get disappointed about it, but you shouldn't do that. Just don't consider it to be easy and just practice. Art is a combination of feelings, techniques, and creativity. So once you get comfortable with techniques, you can add the beautiful taste of your feelings into your art. And music is also an art. So the fourth tip is to practice and practice. And the fifth tip is to be persistent and never give up. You will one day reach your goal. You will one day reach the state that you want. So you should just don't give up. Now, let's dive into our well-organized and prioritized topics. Number 1. Learn to sit and play correctly, like how to grab a pick or where to put your hand on the guitar. 2. Learn musical notations and how to read a music staff and tablature. 3. Learn musical metrics and rhythms. 4. Basic melodies. 5. Scales and basic chords. 6. Chord progressions and strumming patterns. After all these, you're out of your amateur zone and now you can take your music more seriously. You're now in the world of guitar players. Comment down below what made you motivated to learn guitar, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you liked, just press the like button And if you haven't subscribed, please consider subscribing. Viva el arte!